Just as fast as creating new apps, Lecode can be used to add new features into existing apps. Imagine we want to add a drop-down list for navigating between multiple task lists, which are also fetched from a web service. In Lecode, bigger bricks are made up of smaller bricks. All of these bricks can be used individually to update code whenever they make sense. Remember the web data brick that is part of the list app brick we have just used? Let's use it on its own to create some helper classes that fetch the task lists. Within seconds, we see which files would be updated by the brick in the preview page, and also the changes that would be made to these files. The web data brick added a new method to the DB refresher and server API classes, added a list table class, and also updated the content provider class. The updated files are also highlighted in the Package Explorer and in the editors. Now we are ready to create a drop-down list for navigation in the activity. This time, the cursor loader brick is again reused to populate the list of items in the drop-down. Lecode leaves some to-do items in the code as compilation errors so that they are flagged and we can quickly switch to and complete them. It is by design that a typical developer would choose to use bricks whenever they are useful and manually write code when further customization is needed. Now let's complete the on-navigation item selected callback of the drop-down list so that it refreshes the tasks list fragment when selected. Finally, we'll complete the refresh navigation method to fetch the task lists from the web service. With just a few lines of code, we now have a working drop-down list navigation. Lecode bricks can be easily created in a Ruby-based language. We are currently working on other bricks that help you develop features such as NFC, efficient location acquiring, widgets, and many more. You will also be able to create your own bricks. Lecode generates editable code that fits harmoniously into existing code. The generated code can be further tweaked to support fine-grained customization and maintenance. Larger bricks are composed of smaller bricks. All of these bricks can be used individually to generate source code of various granularity that works best for you. It's easier and faster than ever to build Android apps in the IDE and languages you are already familiar with.